Creative, let's talk about courage. Courage is not when you don't feel fear. You're making stuff. People are going to judge it. You will feel fear. What courage means is that even when you feel fear, you act. This is actually one of your superpowers as a human being. You are not dependent on your instinct. You are not required to obey the feelings that you have. It is very hard to fight those things. I am not saying it's not. But you can act in spite of fear. You can choose to create in spite of shame. You have the option and the power to step forward and keep moving, even if it doesn't feel great at first. Here's the thing about courage, though. If you're willing to step forward when you feel afraid, you're going to find that you are so much stronger when you're not afraid. When I say creation is inertia, I mean there is a habit involved. I mean that you are training your body and brain to show up and keep moving forward no matter what is happening. Part of that is courage. I know you're scared. I know you're worried you're not going to be able to do the thing, but I'm going to encourage you to try anyway. And it's okay if you mess up. It really is. You can just try again. That's another superpower. Let nothing stop you. Your art deserves to be made. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.